a fountain, I am a spring. You bathe in my rivers.
It's so beautiful
everything,
I just look at these beautiful trees and how white they are and everywhere. Like, oh my god, I'm like scared to not speak too loud, to not bother them.
I'll drink
The
till
trees,
I'm
because they're
thirsty.
just so like
Drink till I'm blind by your brilliance. Every day,
I'm gonna go in that lake.
every day, your shining is
Just look
calling
at
out.
this.
Shining is summoning light from my skin.
Nature.
Calling us
How
out.
beautiful, how pure, how simple.
If I am a mountain, you are a valley. We'll see in each other the balance of everything, everything, everything. I am a feather,
It is such a
wing
special
of a
moment.
swan, the bond never broken. Love in a life beyond time. We'll see it this way, staying awake every day. Your shining is calling me out. Your shining is summoning light from my skin to be calling us out. And all of our dawning, and all of our dawning, and all of our dawning.
I made a little, yeah, I mean the ice here was a bit thinner because we've also like removed it a few days ago, so it was very easy to, yeah, just like remove just here at the entrance. And yeah, just look at the beautiful environment, surroundings. Yeah, I just wanted to say that I've also started, so I'm doing the Wim Hof Method, and I also started the cold showers. There's some alarm going on. Well, I'll be right back. Yeah, sometimes there are these alarm simulations. But yeah, anyways, I was saying that I also started the cold showers. But I just like it here because just look at that, man. You know, just you get, I can just get to take in the experience, the lake, the leaves, the trees, to look around. It's just so, you know, to drive here, to be in this. Yeah, it's just magical. It's just magical. It's a magical experience. And I did the breathing before, and the breathing helps to yeah, just get the body ready. Basically, get the body ready, get the mind ready. You have all the endorphins going, and it's just like, I feel great. I feel so good. I feel so excited to go in. It's gonna be amazing. And I'm gonna try to do 2 minutes, but of course I'm not gonna force myself or do something I'm not comfortable. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I get to enjoy this view. So beautiful today. Wow.
Across valleys folding, across waters frozen, across the time between my dawn and your setting sun. These are stories blowing, these words tender showing. How can I touch the shape of wing bandings falling away? Oh, tongue set you free, oh mind let it be. Oh land, teach me how to lay in the storming wind. Across hearts aching, across skies breaking, across the time between our suns. I'm lost in your stars, by the light of the dark moon. Just be as you are, just do as you do, by grace and devotion, by letting go of everything, by breath as it takes you, by the light of the dark moon. I'm your stars. I'm lost in your stars. I'm lost in your stars. Two-toned moment, wide breathing, stay with it. I aim for the place between all longing and letting be. Speaking honey, wine, making wishes, star side. These are the arrows in the battle of becoming. Make me a warrior, hummingbird disarming. You be a compass to guide this flight. Take me surrendered, fill me to spilling over the roots of this endless sky. I'm lost in your stars, by the light of the dark moon. Just be as you are, just do as you do.
I just got dressed and wow. There's just no words. You have to try it, so that's everything I have to say. It's like I feel so peaceful right now and strong and healthy and just happy. So now I'm gonna go on a little walk in the forest, and thank you, little pond, for letting me enjoy today. And yeah, look at this. Oh, beautiful life. Mwah.
By the light of the dark moon, just be as you are, just do as you do. By grace and devotion, by letting go of everything, by breath as it takes you, by the light of the dark moon. I'm lost in your stars. I'm lost in your stars. I'm lost in your stars. I'm lost in your stars.
So you can imagine, it's just gonna be a walk like that, but I really want to enjoy it, so I won't be filming from now on. But yes, I'm surrounded by beautiful trees, and I'm so happy, so grateful. And how does it get even better than that? That's the question. So have a wonderful day, full of joy and miracles and magic. Mwah. Thanks for watching.